To send your file to your SprintRay printer, the beginning steps are very similar to the previous videos. Once you've sent your file to your Windows application, we'll navigate to your patient, hit Review Files. We're going to select the mockup that we'd like, hit 3D Print on the bottom, scroll till we see SprintRay, and click on the name below. This will load up Rayware. It'll drop in the model exactly where it should be. And rotate it to about a 35 to 45 degree angle. We're going to support it. And we're going to make sure it's in the middle of the plate itself, or close thereabout. Now we can send this file to print via Wi-Fi or on a USB stick.